Hey guys, Charlie Pankey, Sierra Rec Magazine. This is Cooney Lake up in the Virginia Lakes Basin. Sorry for the wind. Heading up the Frog Lakes up on that ridge today, but I had to stop and show you this location. We're just above Blue Lake. We've probably climbed about 500 feet from the car. So it's just a beautiful day hike out here in the Sierra in the first week of November. Lots of time to go out and explore until the snow falls. Remember, Tioga Pass is still open. So we're on the backside of Yosemite here. And boy, I'm telling you, I'm itching just to go, so it might be a good time to go hit Tioga before it closes down also. Go out and explore, enjoy your late fall. Virginia Lakes Basin. Looking up down at Blue Lakes. Just came down from Frog Lakes.